Hi there, my name's Phil Higgins and welcome to the Middle East Construction News Update for the 4th week of May 2020. Well, in the news this week, the Sharjah National Oil Corporation has awarded Lamprell an engineering, procurement, installation and commissioning contract associated with the Mahani gas and condensate field in the Sharjah Emirate. The scope of works is said to be specific to the Mahani Extended Well Test Project and includes hookup and installation at the well, existing systems upgrade, associated tie-ins, in addition to a new 25-kilometre export pipeline. The project is scheduled for completion in early 2021. The chief executive at Lamprell, Christopher McDonald, said that SNOC is an important client for Lamprell and that Mahani is a strategic gas discovery. Well, His Highness Sheikh Humaid bin Rashid Al Nuaimi, Supreme Council member and ruler of Ajman, has issued a new law pertaining to the regulations of the Emirate's real estate development. According to a WAM report, the law aims to regulate real estate development projects in the Emirate so as to forge a safe investment environment. The new law will come into force 30 days after its issuance and will be published in the official Gazette. Well, Saudi Arabia's Binladin group has cut thousands of jobs and reduced staff salaries by between 30 and 70% as the coronavirus outbreak hurts business for the kingdom's largest construction company. Well, thousands of staff have been let go or sent on unpaid leave, especially those who were working in open-air construction sites and in places where work has been hindered by the coronavirus outbreak. 3 sources who declined to be identified added that the company has enforced salary cuts of between 30 to 70%, while also cancelling other allowances like transportation in an effort to reduce costs. The news comes in the wake of reports earlier this month about the company appointing an advisor to cut costs and restructure debt. This current move demonstrating the efforts to restructure the company. Well, Saudi Arabia's Asar region has offered approximately 33 investment opportunities, including residential, commercial and health projects, as well as other opportunities in the hospitality sector. According to Faisal Al-Ghanem, Deputy Secretary for Investment and Revenue Development in the region, the initiatives are in line with the Kingdom's Vision 2030 and the National Transformation Project 2021. It aims to enhance sustainable developments within the Asar region. The state-run Saudi press agency reported that the projects include a waste management project in the urban city of Abha. The region is offering investors and entrepreneurs the opportunity to view investment projects in the region. It also intends to enable those who wish to launch emerging projects by creating opportunities for investment in distinctive locations. Orascom Construction has laid the foundation stone on a $4.5 billion Cairo monorail project, alongside its Canadian partner, Bombardier Transportation. The foundation stone was laid at the new administrative capital in the first week of May for the first monorail line that will extend 54 kilometres from East Cairo to the capital. Orascom, in a statement on its official LinkedIn page, added that the mega project is going to revolutionise the transportation sector in Egypt by bringing an environmentally friendly monorail system accompanied with a smart design. Well, the New York Stock Exchange-listed engineering and construction firm Fluor has secured a project management consultant contract for Saudi Arabia-based Advanced Global Investment Company, AGIC, a subsidiary of Advanced Polychemicals. Fluor will work on AGIC's new propane dehydrogenation, polypropylene and utilities and offsites complex located in Jebel Industrial City. The company's scope of works involves providing a project management consultant service for front-end engineering design, detailed engineering, procurement and construction of the project. Once complete, the complex will manufacture more than 764,000 tons of propylene per year and more than 725,000 tons of polypropylene per year. These products will be used for production of specialty polymers for the manufacture of face masks, pipes, food packaging, and within the textiles and automotive industries. Well, Usaid Investment, an investment firm owned by the Saudi Arabian company SABIC, and a German-based Schmidt Group will together build a manufacturing facility for Vandelum redox flow batteries in Saudi Arabia's Dammam third industrial city. Another company called Riwaq Industrial Development Company will also join the JV as an additional investor and shareholder in the next couple of months. The JV, named Advanced Storage Systems Investment Company, will produce energy storage systems for telecom towers, mining sites, remote cities, and off-grid locations. The systems will be used for renewable capacity, grid integration, and establishment of mini-grids at remote locations, optimization of diesel generator capacity, and power backup. The demand for energy storage systems has increased throughout the world, especially as we see an increase in solar energy systems with less dependence for grid power and the consumption of power at the location of production. The JV products will be offered under the Everflow brand, with production at the facility set to begin in 2021. The project site for the facility has been identified and construction is expected to start in the first half of 2020. Well, in Oman, the Public Establishment for Industrial Estates, Mahani, signed a memorandum of cooperation last week with the Petroleum Development Oman (PDO) to establish an industrial city within the industrial and logistics complex in Marmul. The agreement, that was signed remotely due to the COVID-19 pandemic, sets out that Mahani aims at financing, developing, operating, and attracting investments to the industrial city located in the south of PDO's concession area, which is 800 kilometers away from the capital, Muscat. The agreement was inked by Halal bin Hamad Al Husseini, Chief Executive Officer of Mahani, and Raul Restucci, Managing Director of PDO. Al Husseini said that the industrial city in Marmul is expecting to focus mainly in attracting investments in the oil and gas sector. Well, on the 10th of June at 2 p.m. UAE time, the Construction Technology Forum goes live with a second webinar in their series titled 10 Ways to Infuse Digital Technology into the Design, Build and Handover of a Project. You can find a link in the description below so that you can register for this free event. Well, that's it for this week. Please don't forget to subscribe so that we can keep you up to date with our weekly roundup of Middle East construction news. And as always, we hope this news update helps you stay informed so you stay competitive. My name's Phil Higgins, and this is Ventures Onsite Live.